All right, hello, distance learners. I just wanted to show you a few final project reminders. You can pretty much read them up here, but know if you get if you're doing a GUI project, you don't have to do one, but if you are, there's resources in the Chapter 10 folder. Definitely a good plan on these is always just get one piece to work at a time. Don't try to do everything at once. Just build one little goal, whatever it is, maybe to get your GUI to display and have one text field working or one button working. Once you get that working, add complexity. Definitely save versions, right? I like to, once I get something working, I kind of save that, and then I feel free to really hack it apart and mess it up and stuff. So as long as I have a working version to fall back on, if I get in trouble, that's usually a good thing. For you distance learners, for sure, if you get stuck, email me your code with a question, and I can get back to you. Make sure you have directions. That's part of the points for this. You have directions somewhere, whether that's you can do them in a little text file next to the program. If you're doing a GUI one, you could have a little button that pops up the directions. However you want to do it, just make sure you have directions on there, and then turn it into the Google Drive folder when you're done. Usually, if you can name it something like Final Project, that helps me find it, but you don't have to do that. It's just a thing that helps me a little bit. All right, that's all I got. Hopefully it's going well, and let me know if you have any questions.